Okay, so I'm going to go over the IXL K10 simple interest. I know I did a video yesterday, but I have a lot of questions. So I'm redoing this video again just for the other type of questions that you're going to be getting it. So in this case, it says Troy has $40 in savings accounts that earns 5 annually. The interest is not compounded. How much interest will he earn in 2 years? Okay, so here I need you to be very careful because look at the question. It says how much interest. I'm just looking at the question. Oops. So notice that in the question you have how much is the interest. So if you find this in the question, interest, all you got to do is just multiply 40 times 5% times 2. And that will give you the interest. There's no extra step. That literally just gives you the interest because look at the formula. Formula, it's I equals. That means an interest. So automatically you can get the answer by multiplying them, okay? So let me multiply them for you. 40 times 5% times 2. So when you hit enter, is a 4. The answer is just a 4. That represents the interest. Okay, so you literally just put it right here, submit. There you go. Now we have excellent. Now we have another type of question here. So this was the interest. Now I want you to look at the next problem. In the question, there is no interest. They're not asking you for interest. They're asking you how much would she have in 3 years. Okay, so the formula is PRT. So you have $50,000 times 14% times 3 years. Okay, the answer is going to give you the interest. But the question is not asking for interest. So there's an extra step here. So 50,000 times 14% times 3 years. Okay, you're gonna have 21,000. Okay, is that what you're gonna have after 3 years? I mean, you initially had 50. Do you think you're only gonna have 20,000 after 3 years? No, this is the interest. That's the interest. Okay, that is the interest. But how much would you have after 5 years? You're gonna have this interest plus the 50,000. Okay, so that's how you know the difference. Okay, if they're asking how much would you have after so many years, you gotta add the interest plus the amount of money that you started with, your initial amount, your principal. Okay, and that should be your answer. So 21,000 plus 50,000, and that should be your answer, 71,000. And there you have it. Okay, on this one, on this next problem, the question says interest, so there's no need to add. You simply multiply. So 70,000 times 14% times 5 years, 49,000 should be going right here. 49,000 because it's just asking for the interest. It's not asking you how much are you having in 5 years. So right here, you just simply put the answer. And that's it. 49,000. If you have any questions, please send me an email.